Differential equations were in 4.6 day 1, finishing up this last example. Our first video left off where we were revisiting what that particular solution is going to look like, and we found our u sub 1 and u sub 2, and we're going to substitute those in now. U sub 1, you can see that's right here. It's a sine of x minus the natural log of the absolute value of secant of x plus tangent of x. And we're going to multiply that to cosine of x. Plus, well, u sub 2 is actually negative cosine of x, sine of x. And we're going to distribute right here. Normally we'll put sine in front of cosine, but I over here have negative cosine times sine. So tell you what, I'm going to put the cosine of x out in front here just so you can immediately see something happen. We've got some like terms. I hope you're going to be able to quickly notice here. So we're going to distribute, and then over here plus a negative, we'll have this minus cosine of x sine of x. And I hope it becomes immediately apparent as we look right here that cosine of x sine x and negative cosine of x sine x are going to cancel out. So we have nicely negative cosine of x times the natural log of secant of x plus tangent of x. But let's revisit something. What is your general solution? Well, your general solution is the solution you get from the homogeneous solution. That's what we did at the very start of this problem. In fact, we just momentarily looked at that right-hand side as if it was 0. That's all the way up here, and we saw that we'd get this, right? And that is part of our general solution. We had c1 cosine of x plus c2 sine of x. And we needed those y1 and y2s as we worked out the Wronskian and w sub 1 and so forth. But then we found our particular solution. And this is what we have right here. So this is going to be our final general form. And really that's what you need to do when you have a second order differential equation and your right hand side is not a function that you've seen in the table.